Welcome back to Brotherhood Finance. In today's video, I'm going to be going over some data, analytics, charts. What's going on in November? What is November looking like? Where is Bitcoin headed? Where is the whole entire crypto market cap headed? My thoughts, my opinions, again, some charts we're going to be diving into. Presentation I put together for you guys. Before we dive into that, our previous prediction was $63,000 per BTC. For October 2021. We were pretty accurate with that prediction. We got to a high of about 67,000. We got to a low of about 59,000. So we weren't exactly on there. We ended the month around 62,000. So we ended about 3% off or so, about $1,000 off our price prediction. My next prediction, where I think we're headed for November, all that other information, let's dive into that in this video. Before we dive into this important analytics, make sure to smash the thumbs up button down below. And if you have not done yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Brotherhood Finance. We're on TikTok, we're on Instagram, we're on other social medias. And if you want, you can check us out at brotherhoodfinance.com. Furthermore, let's dive into these analytics. Let's dive into these charts right now. Where do I think personally Bitcoin is headed? So me personally, I believe November we are going to end over $80,000 per Bitcoin. And then December, I'm also very bullish as well. Why do I say that? Let's look at this first chart right here. Bitcoin, all exchange reserves. So if you look right here, Bitcoin supply from exchanges is dropping hard again. Institutions are buying and retail is selling on this chop. You all know what happens next. So again, when the exchanges are dropping, that means that there's less on the reserves, and that means you cannot sell as much. The big whales cannot sell it because it's not on big companies like Coinbase or stuff like that. They're holding their crypto in a cold wallet where it's being safe, and then they're keeping their reserves. So that's another very bullish indicator. Next chart. Look at this. Total Bitcoin supply held by entities with 1 to 10 Bitcoin is at an all-time high of 1.647 million BTC. So if we look, as the price has increased, the supply held by these large entities, again, anywhere between holding 1 and 10 Bitcoin, is substantially increasing, and they're holding at higher rates than ever before. Another big indicator. I love Glassnode. They have some great analytics and information. Next chart, look at this. Buy Bitcoin. Now, something I mentioned in some of the previous videos was we don't even have any retail FOMO. Currently, what's moving the market capitalization of the cryptocurrency space as a whole right now is not retail investors, it's actually large institutions and corporations. JP Morgan, some of these other big analytics, they've actually commented they think Ethereum has a lot of potential. Same with Bitcoin. They're looking at it as, a better standard of gold, which I agree with, as since gold hasn't really been a great performing asset in the many years. I actually prefer silver over gold currently. It's a great hard asset to hold on to, and it does pretty good in recessions and depressions, and which I've mentioned on this channel. I think probably in about a year or two, if not less than that time span, we will probably go through a recession just from our long-term debt cycle that we've occurred in, the countless amount of money printing. Inflation's definitely going to hit us here soon, and some various metrics we've gone over in some of our previous videos. But the topic today is not that, it's crypto. Where do I see it going in November? So again, Google searches are starting to increase. So the last time this occurred back in 2017, now again, there's been about 3 cycles we can look at, and they're within the 4-year halving cycle that occurs for Bitcoin. And the reason I talk about Bitcoin again is because Bitcoin is what moves the markets, okay? So again, there's one that occurred in 2013, 2017, and 2021. And if you notice, there's a 4-year period differentiation between those cycles. So if you see right here on this chart, you just look up Google searches buy Bitcoin, and they're at the same level as November 2020 when the price was at 19K. Bitcoin went up 3x soon after. So look at that. People are starting to look up, how can you buy Bitcoin? Because again, retail, they're not smart. That's dumb money. Smart money buys at the bottom, and dumb money buys at the top. So normally retail investors get in as the price of BTC continues to go up. Next chart, look at this. Daily active Bitcoin addresses stay above 1 million. Bitcoin Lightning Network maintains substantial growth. So again, historically, this is another very bullish indicator. Plan B. So he's the one that predicted the $63,000 in October, and I think he predicts about 84 to 98,000 per BTC by the end of November. Again, if we follow the same metrics as 2017, 2013, $100,000 Bitcoin is easily going to be achieved and accomplished if we follow those same metrics and the cycles continue to repeat. So Plan B asks, do you think Bitcoin will reach 500K, 288K, 100K, or will BTC stay below 100K by Christmas? So pretty much by the end of the year. 4.3% people, they said, out of 150,000 votes, by the way, 4.3% don't think it will reach 500K. 41%, so the vast majority are predicting that it's going to follow the S2FX model, which is where we got the previous numbers. So they think it's going to reach 288K per Bitcoin, and 34% think it's going to reach 100K or above. So that's another bullish indicator where people are thinking. Look at this. This is huge. Grayscale. We're talking about these corporations and these entities and businesses. They have, if not billions, trillions of dollars of assets under management. See, when people start talking about crypto, a lot of people really aren't informed about what's actually occurring. Currently, the cryptocurrency market cap is literally only about $2.7 trillion, I believe. Now, again, it varies daily. Gold's market cap is 10 trillion. So even if we reach gold, which I think we're going to far surpass that asset class in cryptocurrency just from the values, the value that it has. Again, that's where how I also invest. I invest based on current assets that I believe have value and can positively impact the future and the future operations for the economy and business overall. But look at this, Grayscale Bitcoin Fund to be possibly converted to ETF on December 24th. Now again, in some of our previous videos, we went over ETFs, but they were not spot ETFs, they were future ETFs. So they were not directly benefiting Bitcoin at its current price index. If this occurs on December 24th, this is another huge substantial news and important factor that's going to continually increase the return on investments you receive from Bitcoin. Next chart. If there's not already enough very much bullish information, JP Morgan says Ethereum is a better bet than Bitcoin as interest rates rise due to the boom in DeFi and NFTs. Now again, the gas fees that Ethereum is making right now is incredible. They are making money over fist. There's a whole bunch of new cryptocurrencies being created right now, a whole bunch of FOMO that's created, and we're not even close to the top fear of missing out yet. And they're making money because all these new cryptos are coming out. Also, you got Shiba Inu. That's also on the Ethereum network. So you got all this money that's being flowed into Ethereum. And Ethereum, again, I like to think of gold as Bitcoin. Bitcoin is like an online digital super soldier of gold. And I like to think of Ethereum as, look, you're pretty much owning the entire space. You're owning the stock market practically of all of cryptocurrency. So that's why Ethereum is my second biggest position and my second favorite position. Look at this right here. Why Bitcoin bears are trying to keep BTC price below 62,000 for Friday's options expiration. Bitcoin price dropped to 60,700 on November 4th. It's currently November 5th of making this video. And to pin the price under 62,000, profit from November 5th's option. So today, as of November 5th, there's going to be, I want to say it's roughly $1 billion when I read the article of options that are going to expire. So it's, again, very bullish for Bitcoin because when there's options, they're banging against the cryptocurrency. So when those options expire, there's more liquidity and money that's going to flow into the given asset. Look at this. Square's Cash App generated $1.8 billion in Bitcoin revenue in Q3. So again, Coinbase is doing great. Crypto.com, you watch NFL, you watch, sports, you just watch TV in general, you're going to be seeing crypto commercials. So again, people need to understand that this is the future. This is happening now. Personally, again, I think we're going to have a tremendous bull run. We're going to have a great return on investment. And then historically, after these big bull runs, there is about a 1-year bear market. So I plan on exiting, and then I plan on redeploying that liquidity and that excess profits I make from the crypto market back when everything tanks, as well as the stock market and housing market. Now that's in a perfect world. Again, this is not financial advice. This is financial education. And if you've been watching the video this far, make sure to smash the thumbs up button and leave a comment down below. Where do you believe Bitcoin is going to be at by the end of November? And I hope you find massive value in this video. Furthermore, let's keep diving into this. So right here, the payment firm said Bitcoin revenue and gross profit fell in the third quarter versus the prior quarter due to relatively stable in Bitcoin prices. But again, they've generated $1.8 billion in revenue in Q3. Look at this. Bank of America COO says that offering loans against crypto assets could be a possibility in the future. something that is so tremendous about Bitcoin that not many people really comprehend or understand is you have to understand that retail is actually being able to get in before the institutions. Institutions are just now trying to get in. And every single asset class, normally it's the opposite way around. Normally institutions get to get in first. A company is IPOing, guess what? Institutions are already in. You know, other examples of that, now people's money, crypto, people have the opportunity now to get in before institutions. So again, we are very early in this space, in this industry. I think there's massive upside, massive return on investments coming in the near future. I am bullish on crypto, short, mid, and long term, given I think there will be a 1-year bear market here soon after this big, tremendous bull run we're probably going to have. Next chart, let's dive into it right now. Look at this. Another thing I want to mention is if you look at the Bitcoin monthly returns, and again, we're mainly focusing on 2017, 2013, and 2021. We don't have those numbers yet. But look at this. 2017, there was an average in November of 53% gain. 2013, 450% Bitcoin monthly returns. So I also did some other research. And on average, altcoins went up about 900%. If you don't know altcoins, they're the smaller market capitalization coins. Those altcoins went up on average in 2017 bull run about 900%. So altcoins usually do great in November and December as well as Bitcoin. So I'm just very bullish on the future, very bullish about what's going to occur in the near future. Brothers, if you found value in this video, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed. There's many of you that have not subscribed. So if you find value in content like this, make sure to leave a comment and smash the thumbs up button. And if you want additional information, how I invest, what I'm personally doing, again, not financial advice, you can check out our packages at brotherhoodfinance.com, and those are actually on sale right now if you want more additional information, as well as Brotherhood Finance merch. Make sure to cop yourself a Brotherhood Finance t-shirt or sweatshirt if you've made a lot of money from this channel or learned a lot of financial education. As always, brothers, I hope you have a good rest of your day, a good rest of your week or weekend. Take it easy. Peace.